Hi, I'm going to attempt to do a tutorial to show you guys how to do the webbing on the leggings, and you can do it on t-shirts, dresses, skirts, whatever you want. It's really simple, and must note, not my original idea, wasn't my original design. I worked for somebody who used to buy stuff and then copy it and have us starving designers create it for them. So that's where it came from. But it's really, really easy, and you find yourself, you can sit in front of the TV, watch a movie, and do it, and before you know, the whole thing's done. So let's see if we can get this set up here. Sorry, I'm on the floor here trying to get it so you can see. Now, what you do first is you cut slits down the sides of, well, this is down the sides of the pants. These are just a plain pair of leggings, and there's slits equidistant slit down the sides, okay? And what you're going to do is you're going to start at the very top up here, okay? And you're going to take that first piece and you're going to loop the second one over the first piece, okay? I don't know if you can see that. No, wait a minute, I think I got that wrong. You have to loop the first piece over the second piece. Okay, that's it. And then you take the second piece and loop it over the third. Can you see that? Actually, maybe I should put it on my arm. It might be easier for you to see. Okay. I also have really bad eyesight, so it's hard for me to tell if you guys can see that. Okay, now what you're going to do is you're going to just keep continuing. So you're going to keep looping over the one below and then pulling it through. And then just keep going the whole way down. And you'll see it goes really quickly. I'm doing this super fast so you can get an idea of just how fast it goes. We actually used to call these macrame. And it is kind of a little macrame technique. And you can do some really cool things. You can do a partial slits down the sides or down the front, in the back. We used to do dresses, and we would do down the sides of the arms. That was really cool. And then also what we would do is slits down the front of the top, from underneath the breast down, and that looks really cool. We also would do things like asymmetrical slits across the sides, and then do this little technique, and it came out really cool looking. So there's lots of fun things you can do once you know how to do it. But as you can see, it's going really fast, and I'm almost done. I don't know if you can see this even. Let me try putting it on my arm and doing it. Maybe that's a little better. done. Okay, now when you get to the last one, what you're going to do is you're going to just slit it in half. And then you're going to take one side and just tie it, making it secure. You can sew it down too if you'd like. But I find I used to just do double knots and they stayed perfect. Okay, and you can trim it too to make it look a little nicer. Punk Glam King is trying to be nice and quiet in the background for me. And there you have it. Now, what we used to do, let's see if I can show you. A little hard. We used to kind of pull them together like this so that the webbing showed off a little better. But you could also pull it out like that if you want. Play around and see what you can come up with. I'd love to see any of the designs that you come up with, and please let me know if you do wind up doing it. If you run into any trouble and you need some help, I'm always happy to try to, solve the problem. And you can always get to me at punk.glam.queen@gmail.com or on my blog, which is EDIDEE, Fix, FIXEMON.blogspot.com. And I guess that's it. I hope you have fun and you make some really cool stuff, and I'd love to see it. Thanks. Bye.